keluar ini mah muskillah nih adi ini
هنا ما في مشكلة.
ما في مشكلة.
For the low back, okay. Some patients they have problem in this area, okay. So it's better to make him flex like this, okay, at the back. Put it like that. You know, sometimes the end, it's not. Why? I don't write. Okay, I don't write by that. So it can be taken off.
Remove.
So I should.
Put on.
You see the difference now. I will.
Hindi ka daw malinis.
You will learn all the tricks. Okay. Focus because
Sorry.
it's your responsibility.
See. See the first now. You should dry it before you apply it.
I-apply.
So we can be, maybe he puts lotion on it, I don't know. This is why sometimes you can't. This is for the back, we can't put like that. Okay? Sometimes you need to measure it. But I don't want to do it because you don't, I'm using in my clinic. But you should put the small size there, 10 centimeters, 5 centimeters. You should be prepared before you apply it, okay? Like this, about 7 centimeters, okay? This is the time consuming. We don't want to do it in front of the client, okay?
At least you have 5, 10, 20.
Yeah, but it should be done in front of the client, okay? Like this area, you should dry all this area because you put it now in the transverse side, okay? Because I didn't dry this in front, okay? So I need to dry all the area, okay?
يا يحط اللي هم العموديين يا العرضيين مش الاثنين مع بعض صح؟
عادي عادي.
ممكن الاثنين مع بعض عادي؟
كيف؟
يعني اقصد يحط اثنين عموديين واثنين
والله شوف
ولا دي دي
هو افضل ممكن اكتب كذا يعني ما في مشكله بس هذا ممكن كزياده
تمام
يعني كثبات يعني
May how?
This is for the back, okay? So we want to start with the knee maybe, okay? The knee. Little stretch, not too much. Okay. This is for the back, okay? It depends. Sometimes we do not want to put all this, okay? We just two of this or two of this. It's depending on the area, okay? This is for the back. We can apply for the shoulder if you want, okay? Sometimes the shoulder we need, okay? Or for the neck, okay? I'll put it now for the neck, okay? And then again for the shoulder, okay? For neck is very important because some they want to. Yeah. should be very calm on the clients. Don't rub it very strongly, especially if you are very new in this techniques. You know, don't know you are nervous. Or, you don't want. Yeah. So you should be very
Gentle.
light, gentle. Yeah. Yes. Okay. So what's your good name? Jazz, I want you to be like this, okay? So when you want to apply on the shoulder, should be
Skin should be stretched.
Yeah, so it's better. It's better. It's better for you to when you do that. Okay. This is some of the problems that maybe because I didn't.
sanitize.
Okay. So when I do the sanitizer there now. So, it's really close. Okay. So you should dry it all. So sometimes you forget to do this, forget to put this things. Okay, this is for the shoulder, for the neck. Okay, for the shoulder, we can rub it like that. Some of them they have problem in the shoulders. Okay? So. After we finish, we need you to apply it on each other, okay? Because this is very important too. I will apply this. It's different.
Oh, okay.
It's different, okay?
What's the difference?
I'll show you. It's different cuts.
That tip, sir, just only for the back or any area of the body. It's just for example, I have pain in my legs. Is it okay?
You can put it on the leg, on the thigh, in the
Knee.
in the knee. Yes, no problem. I think. Let's see, is it the same or? No, it's the same. الظاهر ان العينات الموجوده فيها شكل ثاني تختلف عن هذا.
باقي بها الحضرتك.